Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare VOO with VFIAX. Now, I'm someone who loves to invest into ETFs and analyze various ETFs and funds. Also, if you have your own opinion on VFIAX or VOO, write it down below in the comments. And I created a course in which I'm sharing all the knowledge about ETFs I have, about how we can make money, what strategies to use, and how I make money on ETFs. So you can check it out down below in the description. Now, let me just start straight away that VFIAX and VOO are like brothers. Literally identical brothers. But let me just show you. VFIAX is classified as a mutual fund, while VOO is classified as an ETF. And if one of these is a mutual fund and the other is ETF, that doesn't matter too much for their holdings. Both ETFs and mutual funds are just containers to hold a lot of investment inside them. Now, the biggest difference is the fees. Because VOO, look at this, got 0.03 expense ratio, and VFIAX has expensive ratio of 0.04%. And you can see clearly this is the main difference between these two. And another that I would say big difference is that VFIAX offers, let's say that you can automatically invest into VFIAX from your paycheck because it's like kind of a fund. With VOO, you have to do it manually, but it really depends what kind of platform you're using. And also another thing is that, like in my country where I'm from, if I would be investing in VOO, I'm not going to pay any taxes after first year of holding. On the other hand, if I would be using VFIAX and I would be investing into that fund, not ETF, I'm going to pay taxes no matter what. So if I'm going after 10 years, I would withdraw money from VFIAX with the same amount of earnings as also with VOO, but also the expense ratio is higher. I would pay even taxes on that. But on a VOO, because it's ETF, I wouldn't pay any taxes at all. So this is something for you to know, that if your state or if something that you would pay less taxes, or if you have any advantages to invest into ETF comparing to funds, figure it out by yourself. That's really, really important. Now, also when we look on, let me just show you right here, that assets, mutual fund, ETF, US stocks, category, and all the sectors, literally the same. The holdings, look at this, Microsoft Corporation, Apple, Amazon, they are copying each other. Also, as you invest $10,000, how much would it rise? You see the difference is really damn small. Also, this is really important, how much money you would have comparing these two based on expense ratio. And this is something also really important. Now, this was pretty much it, the video. I don't know what else to share with you. My recommendation, I really like ETFs, so I would go with VO, but if the fund is much better option for you, go that way too. And you can see always the counting here, that the difference is, like, I would choose, if I would be you, the one that gives you less pain to manage. That's how I would do it. Also, there is like M1 Finance link that you can test it out for buying and trading stocks, ETFs. So definitely check it out too. And this is pretty much it. So if you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. Write down below your own opinions on VO and VFIAX. I'll be really happy to read those. My recommendation is just like, don't change your strategy all the time. Many people who are investing into ETFs, they are making mistakes. They are changing the strategy all the time. After first year, they're gonna invest into something else. The second thing is that I would definitely recommend, like, learn how you can make more money. It's that simple. From your job, from side hustle, from your company, just figure out the way how you can make more money. That's the best way how you can make more money. It's that simple. I know it will sound strange. Learn how to negotiate with the employer to increase your paycheck. And that's what I would definitely do. And also definitely analyze the holdings. of that particular ETF, and if you actually believe in it. Like, I don't like cigar companies, and when I see the ETF which contains the cigar company, I'm not investing into that. Only because of my values, that I don't like cigarettes. So these are the 3 tips that I prepared for you, which are kind of important, I believe, if you want to like invest into ETFs. Another thing that is really important is to separate from value-based ETFs and growth-based ETFs and figure out the differences. So that's what I would be interesting to see too. And this is pretty much it. So I hope you are going to have a great day. Again, this was VOO versus VFIAX, and what are the differences. And yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.